Closers, Danny Lewis here. I'm back to share with you some more gold that I know you're gonna dig. My gosh, a lot of dust. Hey, listen guys, today I'm here to talk to you about pressure, close, push, hard sell. That uncomfortable space where a salesperson and the customer do not feel comfortable. The deal is hard and sticky, and you still have to persist and convince your customer that this is the right deal. They have no other choice. To do anything else would be a major mistake on their part, major flaw on your part, and get them to sign with you because there is no other choice or no other solution. You are the only solution, and you need to believe that. Plus, you need to be drilled on an arsenal of closing content that's not emotional, it's not confrontational, it's purely logical. Does it make sense? You need to be able to pressure your client. I'll tell you a story. I was in a call center with this 6 agents that are basically learning sales, that I'm helping them with sales training, right? And what happened is, when I was speaking with these guys is, I was on the phone handling another thing, and I heard this one agent having a hard time getting through and impinging to this customer. I grabbed the phone, I said, let me help you. I started speaking with this guy, and he was like, we don't need anything right now. We're good, man. We're good over here. Call me in 3 months. I'm like, okay, good. I'll be happy to, no problem. But let me ask you, if there was one thing, just one thing I could do for you, one thing that would improve the image of your business, that would improve the performance of your company, what would it be? Be like, no, dude, we don't really have anything. We're fine. Call me in like a week. Now I went from 3 months to 1 week. I said, okay, I'll be happy to call you in a week. All right, man, no problem. I'm going to do that either or to follow up with you because it obviously means that I'm doing a great job. Okay? We're taking good care of you. But look, man, okay, what is the one thing I could do for you that would help your business today, right now? Just one thing. I know there's one thing, man. It's pushing. It's getting uncomfortable. Everybody was listening in the call like, oh my gosh, what is he doing? And I'm like, come on, man, just one thing. I was being positive. And the guy said, you know what? I actually need something in my store. And he told me what it is. And I'll be like, and I was like, great, man. Excellent. That's why I'm calling you, because I can take care of that problem. I can resolve it for you. If I could show you a solution to that problem, would you give me a few moments of your time? Would you give me the attention? Let me send you what I can do for you. Pick what you want. I'll give you information on it. Call you back on Tuesday, considering you're really busy right now and you're about to go on vacation. Great, no problem. I understand. You cannot look at it right now, but can I get a confirmation from you that you'll take my call and we're going to discuss a solution for you on that problem? And he was like, no problem. I just took him from don't call me again, I'm fine, to call me in 3 months, to call me in 1 week, to, you know what, call me in 3 days. Why? Because I was willing to go to that uncomfortable place, the hard sell, the place where I had to push, had to persist, and get the guy to actually give me his attention, his time, and take me seriously. But it required me to be willing and have enough belief that I can take care of this person. And I pressured. And I pushed, and I got to the uncomfortable place, and I refused to hang up and refused to take a no, and therefore I got the guy's attention. Okay, your customer will not be happy if you let them toy with you, bullshit you, and talk you out of closing them. I remember another story with a guy where I was trying to help him improve his sales, and he was looking at a lot of my content, and eventually I closed this guy to get onto sales training. He sent me a text like literally 2 months later saying, man, I really thank you for persisting with me and pushing me and making me pull the trigger and make the decision to do sales training, because you know what, today I feel fresh, man. I feel young again. My sales game has just got fresher, and I really appreciate you. Thank you. Your customers will actually thank you for closing them, but that will never happen unless you close them and push them and be willing to get to the uncomfortable place called the hard sell. Okay, so realize you don't provide any value, any service, unless you close your customer. So use it, push them, close, put pressure, be willing to get in the hard sell, the uncomfortable space where everyone feels like, oh my gosh, I gotta make a decision right now, and I'm gonna, distance myself from the money in the bank. But they don't realize, and they forget, they're getting value back that's greater than their money, and you need to be able to insist on that and have great belief that this is right for your customer. And you gotta be drilled, practice, and rehearse on how to close so you get to that place and you have customer satisfaction. I hope you dig that. Do you agree with that? Subscribe on YouTube, comment below, like, dislike. I want to hear from you. Use it. Let me know how it worked from you. Other than that, don't forget, folks, 10x your game.